What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am so excited because I'm starting a new little series here on my channel. As you guys know, the new year is coming up and 2023 has been such a different year for myself. Personally, I have faced quite a few different challenges in my personal family life, and it's been a very emotional year to say the least, but it's also been an amazing year with my career and my job. I got promoted and I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. I've gotten to collab with amazing brands and I am just super grateful overall, but I'm also very excited and I'm so motivated to continuously grow for this next year, and that is what led me to this video. And I thought, why not film it for you guys and we can go on this journey together. So with that being said, welcome to today's video. This is part one of the glow up project, and we are not just glowing up physically because that's not what this video series is about. It's about mentally, within your environment and your job, finances, everything. This series is all about that. So if you want to go ahead and follow along, be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram so we can chat in the DMs and support each other. Okay, I am looking at the picture that I screenshotted and I'm going to tell you guys the different categories that we will be doing together, or you will be seeing in this video. So number 1 is body, number 2 is mind, number 3 positivity, number 4 food, number 5 financial, number 6 intellectual, number 7 social, number 8 style, and lastly number 9 space. So we are starting off backwards, and I'm actually going to start off with number 9, which is space. I just feel like it's only right if we start off with this, and you're going to see my room get completely transformed because it definitely did not look like this. So this video we're going to organize my room, get rid of clothes / objects I don't use, organize my workstation and make it pretty, fun, and a productive environment, make my bed every morning for 21 days, and keep my room clean for 21 days. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I just got off work. I'm going to set a 1-hour timer, and setting a timer is going to help me stay on track, not get distracted, and remain focused on the end goal. All right guys, here goes nothing. Let's go. Spotify gives me my top songs of 2022. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to listen to this playlist. Guys, we are almost done. I checked my phone. I have 30 minutes left, and what I did is basically put away my clothes, fold the ones that need to be folded, and put them in the drawers. I made it my bed, even though I'm going to bed in a couple hours. It still gives me like that visual appealing satisfaction that my room is clean. I picked up that desk area that was infused with clutter of stuff. Let's go and now in the bathroom, and I brought my massive makeup bag that has literally been through so much the past couple months. One little concealer or foundation opened and the entire bag and makeup have that foundation everywhere, and so now every time I go and do my makeup, it's always on my hands and it just gets really messy. And honestly, it's been like this for a while and I haven't cleaned it up, so this is something that I've been needing to do and want to get done. So if there's something that you've been procrastinating and you need to get it done, either write it down right now in your notes so you can go back after this video and do it, or do it right now and I can keep you company with the sound of my voice and we can do it together. So this is my makeup bag. It is from Bag Smart. It is the best makeup bag I have ever seen that is out there on the market, and it is just simply so beautiful. But I literally got it thrashed, so let's clean it up. And I got some new makeup. I posted a Sephora haul on my TikTok, so if you're not following my TikTok, be sure to follow it. It's at Suzette M. Fuentes. I will have it in the link down in the description, but I got some new makeup, so I want to put it in there as well. And I'm just going to clean everything up with some Clorox wipes. Guys, it is so gross. I am so embarrassed and this definitely needs to get done immediately. Okay, so I used a magic eraser and that helped tremendously. Obviously, it's not perfect, but it definitely has made such a difference. It looks so much better. So now I'm going to wipe down all my products and put them back inside. Here is the after. I cleaned every single thing. I even emptied out this, what is this, like a little sharpener for eyeliner, lip liner, and it looks so clean. Okay vlog, we are now in our robe. I put my hair up and I set the ambiance. I would like to thank Spaluxetique for sending me some of their products to share with you guys. I already put the bubble bath in the bath and it smells incredible. I think it's because the scent is white jasmine, and any jasmine scent is just so beautiful and it's like the perfect amount of fresh and floral. My bath literally smells amazing, but they sent over their little kit. But I think this is like the perfect gift for someone all year round. This is a 3-step product kit, which is perfect for the minimalist who just wants a few minimal steps when they get to unwind. So it comes with a bubble bath, a body scrub, and a body oil. I have yet to dive into the body scrub and body oil. We are going to do it right now. The scent is called White Jasmine, and this is the Let It Slide bubble bath. It's paraben free, no artificial dyes, it's gluten free. I also really love this company because they do not test on animals. This is the Let It Slide White Jasmine body oil. So after I exfoliate and after I shave, I'm going to lather up in this body oil, because who doesn't want to be a hydrating, glowy goddess? Do you know what I'm saying? Lastly, what I'm so excited for is the White Jasmine body scrub. I am obsessed with body scrubs. I don't know if you guys seen like Shower Talk on TikTok where they have all those body scrubs. That would be me. Oh my gosh, Spaluxetique is all about giving you that luxurious feeling of a spa day, but at home. They have so many amazing different gift sets to give to someone that you love, your girlfriend, your mom, your sister. And right now, I believe they have 20% site-wide. So this is the perfect timing to grab your favorite little kit off their website. With that being said, thank you to Spaluxetique for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to link their website as well as their products down in the description for you guys to check out. Let's start off this new year by taking care of ourselves and giving us that luxurious spa day, but at home.